Hey guys, it's River Creek here with my friend Happy Say. Um, I'm happy to say hi. Yeah, sorry if I sound sick. I am sick. Hope that helps with stuff because I am very sick right now. Actually, that's one of the reasons I've been kind of quiet lately. So today we are going to be talking about the new animal, this one, and what we think it is, plus the new Sabretooth pets. Okay. I'm gonna ask him what he thinks it is. Scrooge, sorry. Yeah. I actually think it's a hyenodon because I mean it's kind of gaining that hyena shape, and if you don't know what a hyenodon is, still look it up. I can I he thinks it's dodos. I honestly think it's a hyenodon. I'll tell him that. Direwolves are also another option. If you take a look, it could either be a wolf, according to this one, pretty close up, or it could also be like a hyenodon. And why would this be there if it was something different? I think that's hyena, and this thing right here, I think that's hyena, but I'm not sure. But let's move on to the. So yeah, we're moving on to the saber-tooth pets now. Let's see. Luckily, I have one. So I actually think they're pretty cute. You'd see. Yeah, that's their click animation. They're pretty adorable. I think the texture is okay. I mean, hey, you can't complain with me if I think this is a not. Because look, that and this has teeth. This does not. Similar tails, but not really. But also, I like I like these new pets in general. They're just so adorable. Okay, well, I think that's it for today because I'm not feeling well again. And I won't be as inactive anymore, trust me. Well, I'll still be sick probably in the next few days. I'll be able to record still at least. Oh, and I'm actually going to give away some masterpieces that I have just because I want to. It's these two that I'm going to be giving away. So as soon as they are approved, I'll talk more about it in a different video. And the next video will come out when they are approved, which is, since I drew them like yesterday, it shouldn't be long until it's approved. So yeah, I think that's everything I needed to cover today. So I'm not gonna ask anything else to say. Bye. Bye. Okay, well, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And hey, psst, psst, tell your friends about us. Okay? Well, I mean, actually, about me. There's going to be a video tomorrow on why I switched it to just me instead of me. Well, me and her. But there'll be a video on that. But yeah, bye guys. Hope you have a great day, and see ya.